Good morning, children. I am from YCC Yadav Coaching Center, my YouTube channel. Well, children, I am back with the English question and answers chapter Open Secret. The book I am following is Macmillan Education Literature Reader, English for the New World. Well, I would like to thank you all for your response for this video, and there is a continuous demand for the question answers. I'm thankful for those who have given a comment that they need the question answers for the same chapter. So let us start. Well, I would like to tell you also that in my previous chapter, in my previous video, I have given you the dictation words as well as the word meanings. So I'll be starting with the question answers here. Here we go. Question number 1. Why did Pan challenge Apollo to a musical duel? It's duel. Answer is, Pan challenged Apollo to a musical duel because he thought that his flute could produce a more beautiful melody than Apollo's harp. Well, question is, Pan ने चैलेंज क्यों किया था अपोलो को म्यूजिकल ड्यूल के लिए, कंपटीशन के लिए? So, इसका आंसर है, पैन ने अपोलो को इसलिए चैलेंज किया था क्योंकि उसको लगता था जो उसकी फ्लूट है, उसकी जो बांसुरी है, वो बहुत प्यारा म्यूजिक, बहुत मेलोडियस म्यूजिक बजा सकती है एज कंपेयर टू अपोलोज हार्प. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ डिड किंग मिदास गेट डोंकी ईयर्स? आंसर इज, किंग मिदास got donkey ears as a punishment by Apollo. Okay, children? So, King Midas के donkey जैसे कान कैसे आ गए भाई? So, answer it was a punishment for him. उसको एक सजा के रूप में, punishment के रूप में मिले थे. किसने दी थी? अपोलो ने. Next question. Why did the barber go up to the top of the hill? The answer is, the barber was finding it very difficult to keep the king's secret. So, he went up to the top of the hill and dug a hole in the middle of the ground. Then, he whispered the king's secret into the hole. So the question is, why did the barber go up to the top of the hill? भी बाबर ऊपर क्यों गया? The answer is, भी बाबर को ये बात पहुंचाने में तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट थी. किंग का सीक्रेट भी, उसके कान जो है वो डोंकी जैसे हो गए हैं, तो अपना सीक्रेट बताने के लिए भी वो उसका हल्का हो जाए मन, वो टॉप ऑफ द हिल में गया. उसने कहा कि मैं किसी बंदे को नहीं बताऊंगा, मैं ग्राउंड में अपना एक बड़ा सारा होल डिग करके उसमें बोलूंगा. सो ही डिड द सेम थिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हाउ डिड एवरीवन कम टू नो अबाउट किंग मिदास एंड हिज डोंकी ईयर्स? द आंसर इज, द बार्बर whispered the king's secret into the hole he had dug up in the mountains. Since the sound travels quickly in the mountains, everyone came to know about the king's secret. Okay, children? So this was your question number 5. Now, in make sentences, you will be doing yourself. You will attempt it, and I hope if you need anything else, do let me know what else you want. If you want the actual question answers, that is, give reason for the sentences, that is in the book. let me know that also. I'll be providing you with that also, children. Okay, children? So do subscribe my channel. Share it with your classmates, with your relatives, so that I may get the maximum subscription. And yes, like it also, children. Till then, bye-bye.